Well, the lovely town of Techno. I wish I could be there, but I just don't have the proper appearance.
Did someone say appearance?
Who are you supposed to be? A fairy, obviously?
I'm the Fairy of Bridges. I'm here to make life better. Zip-a-dee-zap.
I didn't feel anything.
Say who, Pluto?
Oh well, gonna work on my magic. Good luck with your brother.
Care to explain, Pluto?
Oh.